Hi beauties, it's Jean Persani with Beauty and the Stamper, and I am doing another Dollar Tree DIY. I have a wooden heart. I do have some of my Stampin' Up! Early Espresso and blender brush, but you could also use acrylic paint. I just wanted to be fast and dry easy. I also picked up one of these little flowers. It's just a fabric flower. That was not Dollar Tree. But I have these laser cut crafts, icons, and I have this sticker. Now this is one large sticker that you can peel off, and it's removable and repositionable, but we're going to use it on here. So let's go ahead. We're going to cut this part off because I don't need it right now, and I will just replace it with maybe a prettier ribbon, or I think I might go with some of the twine from Dollar Tree rather than trying to save it. So I like the texture of this wood, but I want to give it a little bit of a some dimension. So I'm just taking and I'm gonna go around here and make it a nice little darker heart there. Just giving it some dimension here. And it doesn't matter if it looks off, that's what we're looking for. And it's just giving it something to bounce off the background. So if you put it against a wall, it's not gonna just blend in, right? So that's what we're doing here, but I still like that color. And I am going to do a little bit throughout the actual heart, but I didn't want to distract at all from there, from that beautiful wood. So I still have a little bit left on here, and I'm going to very lightly just kind of go with the flow, and you'll see some of that color start to come out here. And then I'm just pressing a little bit harder as the ink is starting to go away. So it's making it a nice color, bringing out some of that wood grain. And you can see, you can't see too much of the difference, but if you turn it over, then you can definitely see it's got a little bit of that lighter wood on the other side. So let's go ahead and go with these little stickers. And I want the sticker, I don't just want to pop it on there. So I'm going to take my my scissors again, and I'm going to go ahead and just cut this off. And then I'm going to start cutting around all of these together. So really what I wanted to show you is you do not have to use these stickers the way they are shown. You can get so many different stickers out of it. So I'm going to go ahead and take off this free here. First things first, I'm going to decide where I want to put this. And I'm thinking I might put it right there. So I'm going to go with free here. And I'm going to find that spirit. We've got spirit, yes we do. And I'll put that one right here. And then, look how pretty that looks already. I'll just put that one right here. Let's see where this one goes. I think I'll take this guy. And you cannot see those colors, the sticker, but if you do want to cut it closer, and like kind of fussy cut it, you can totally do that. But again, it's not showing. This is so pretty. Yep. Always play with where you're going to put something, because you might find a better location like I just did. I want this really kind of close to the top there, but it needs to fit. There we go. Look how pretty that is. And then you can take some of these laser cut pieces. If you want, you do whatever you'd like to do, and you can take any of these extra pieces out. I'm just using my nails, but you could use any type of tweezers or anything like that to get those out. And I don't know that I need to have any of this on here, because this little sign all by itself, oh, what did I do? Hold on here. I'm gonna get a baby wipe. I touched that laser engraver and it had this little bit on here. So I'm gonna try and wipe it off real quick. Yep, there we go. Stick with me. I will show you all the different tips and techniques on messing up. I really like that there. Really, really like it there. I do, however, want to see if I like any of these others on here. I don't think that I love anything amazing. That's kind of pretty. That is kind of pretty. And let me see. I don't think, the only thing I think I would like is having something like that. Okay. I think don't be afraid to make changes. Look at that. And then this one might just go. I really like this third one here. I don't want to just have, don't be afraid. There we go. There we go. I really like that. So these little guys, are they stickers? They are not stickers. That's a bummer. So I'm going to take my little mini, I'm going to take that and cut that right off because that's going down. That's why I checked the back side. All right, so I'm going to get my glue gun. You guys always ask what kind of glue sticks I use. It's the Gorilla Hot Glue Sticks. If you need any of those, I can put a link. It's just from Amazon. And I'm going to put it on the leaf part here. I'm going to do this other side as well. And then I'm going to take, well, I'm going to take this part first. Cut me off a piece here because I do still want to hang it. If you do not want that and you just want it to hang on the back, you could definitely do that as well. And in fact, let me show you how, because I could definitely hang that on the back if I wanted to. So you're just going to take a piece. It'll be a smaller piece. You want it to be from here to here. But you want it to be up enough. And put enough glue. This is where you want to be very careful. Okay, get that glue in there. Then you're going to go over it again with more glue. And then you can just take something. I'm just going to use this guy to push that down. And get another piece. And you're just going to push that down. If you don't want that, it's not a problem. You can cut your own little pieces. Maybe some nice little round circles. And now I can go ahead and add that hot glue. We're just going to put that right here. And look at how cute this is. And if you know anybody who's just a nice free spirit, they would love this. And then you can adorn it with some jewels if you'd like. But I think this is gorgeous and beautiful. I will take this off, but I wanted to show it to you and not wait for that glue to dry. So, all right, beauties, I hope you like this. If you do, please give me a big thumbs up. I do want to do more Dollar Tree DIYs. I do have more stuff to do, and I will be back showing you more this week and this weekend. So I will talk to you later. Bye!